Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge, service providers, Situn and Ambika. In this Python tutorial video, we will learn what is operator precedence in Python, what is operator associativity in Python, example of precedence, precedence table, what is left to right associativity, what is right to left associativity, example of left to right associativity, example of right to left associativity. What is operator precedence? Operator precedence is used to determine the order in which different operators in a complex expression are evaluated. What is a complex expression? Expression can be simple or complex. A simple expression contains only one operator. For example, 1 plus 2 is a simple expression. A complex expression contains more than one operator. For example, 1 plus 2 multiplied by 3 is a complex expression. What is operator associativity? Operator associativity is used to determine the order in which operators with the same precedence are evaluated in a complex expression. Operator precedence is applied before associativity to determine the order in which expressions are evaluated. Associativity is then applied if necessary. Mathematics provides a solid foundation for the idea of precedence. For example, in mathematics, multiplication and division are performed before addition and subtraction. The following is a simple example of precedence. 1 plus 2 times 3. In this expression, multiplication has higher precedence than addition. This results in the multiplication being done first, followed by the addition. So the evaluation process is step 1, 1 plus 2 times 3. Step 2, here multiplication has higher precedence. So 2 multiplied by 3 will be evaluated first. The result is 6. Then 6 is added to 1. The result is 7. The value of the complete expression is 7. The chart of operator precedence from highest to lowest is given below. Parenthesized expressions have the highest precedence in Python. It can be used to force an expression to evaluate in the order you want. The associativity is left to right. Exponentiation has the next highest precedence. The associativity is right to left. The next highest precedence is positive or unary plus, negative or unary minus, and bitwise not. The associativity is left to right. The next level of precedence is multiplication, division, floor division, and remainder or modulo operator. The associativity is left to right. These four operators have the same level of precedence. The next highest precedence is addition and subtraction. The associativity is left to right. The next level of precedence is right shift and left shift. The associativity is left to right. The next level of precedence is bitwise AND. The associativity is left to right. Next is bitwise exclusive OR. The associativity is left to right. The next is bitwise OR. The associativity is left to right. The next level of precedence is comparisons, identity, and membership operators. They all have the same level of precedence. The associativity is left to right. The next is Boolean NOT. The associativity is left to right. Then Boolean AND. The associativity is left to right. The next is Boolean OR. The associativity is left to right. Associativity. Associativity is applied when we have more than one operator of the same precedence level in an expression. Associativity can be left to right or right to left. Left to right associativity evaluates the expression by starting on the left and moving to the right. On the other hand, right to left associativity evaluates the expression by starting from the right and moving to the left. Remember, however, that associativity is used only when the operators all have the same precedence. Left to right associativity. The following shows an example of left to right associativity. In this example, we have 4 operators of the same level of precedence: multiplication, division, modulo, multiplication. The evaluation process is: step 1, 2 multiplied by 9 divided by 3 modulo 4 multiplied by 5. In this expression, we have 4 operators of the same level of precedence. Their associativity is from left to right. That means the operator on the left is evaluated first and then the operator on its right, and so on. In step 2, we will go from left to right. So 2 times 9 is 18. Now the expression is 18 divided by 3 modulo 4 times 5. In step 3, 18 is divided by 3, which is 6. So now the expression is 6 modulo 4 times 5. In step 4, 6 modulo 4 is 2. The percentage sign in Python is called the modulo operator. It returns the remainder after dividing the left hand operand by the right hand operand. Here 6 is divided by 4, that returns 2 as the remainder. Now the expression is 2 times 5. In step 5, 2 times 5 is 10. The value of the expression is 10. Right to left associativity. All the other operators in the chart have left to right associativity except exponentiation, which has a right to left associativity. Exponentiation is represented by the 2 asterisks in Python. The following shows an example of right to left associativity. 2 double asterisk 2 double asterisk 3, that is 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 3. In this expression, 2 double asterisk 3, that is 2 raised to the power of 3, will be evaluated first because the associativity of exponentiation is right to left. That means the expression will be evaluated by starting from the right and moving to the left. Here 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. Now the expression is 2 double asterisk 8, that means 2 raised to the power of 8. In the next step, 2 raised to the power of 8 is evaluated, which is 256. The value of the expression is 256. One last word. You do not work very hard to remember the rules of precedence for the operators. If you cannot tell by looking at the expression, use parentheses to make the expression clear. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you.